Okay. Before we start our new lesson, let's have a short review or recap. What our last topic kanina? Types of skills demanded of leaders. Okay, very good. The types of skills and leadership. So, before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a short activity. This activity is entitled 4 weeks, 1 word. The basic mechanics is
Ellen.
The main mechanics is guess the word that links the 4 pictures together in one meaning. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Don't answer in bold. So first is
Ellen.
Okay, guess the word. Let's try it.
Iayos mo yung ano, be? Yan.
Yes.
Leader.
Yes, very good. Next is Angeline Fernandez.
Ma'am, si typer na.
Isa pa. Ryan.
Ano daw yun ay? Isa pa na.
Kimberly Machado.
Excuse me daw, be. Si typer na daw.
Isa pa. Clarissa. Chef? Hindi ko alam.
Chef.
Best friend. Yuri Sabri.
Ay.
Assistant.
Driver. Shepherd.
Servant. Yes, very good.
Oh,
Sinabi niya na pala eh.
sabihin mo.
Pwede si Mama yung suntok. Ay! Nakapin mo!
Naka-record yun.
Thank you for your participation and cooperation tonight. Now, let's proceed to our new lesson, which is the situational leadership model. Can you read the first slide? Yes, Ms. Mary Ann.
First, ano lang daw?
First, the situational leadership model. In situational leadership, leaders adapt their leadership style to the situation of the members of the organization, to the readiness and willingness of group members.
So the situational leadership is a leadership that emphasizes the importance of adaptability and flexibility. So sabi na dyan is basically situational leadership is about being flexible. So being a leader is hindi ka lang dapat naka-stop sa isang style. Dapat maging ka rin, flexible. Like, kailangan mag-adjust ka rin sa mga kailangan ng members mo. And also is not about being a boss. Kung leader ka, hindi lang siya sa big boss na nag-take ka lang sa mga ginagawa ng members mo. Kaya, and kailangan dapat is bigay mo rin yung Hart, 1996, characterized leadership style based on the amount of trust behavior that the leader provides to the followers. We categorize all leadership style into 4 behavior styles, which they name 51 or S1, S1. Okay, thank you. So according to Paul Hersey and Janet Standard, the summary na dyan is it characterizes leadership style in terms of the amount of task behavior and relationship behavior. So dito sa task behavior is about the leader focusing on getting the job and giving their instructions on how to do that. Sa relationship behavior naman, it's about the leader focusing on the people doing the job and also building good relationship with their members. And they categorize all leadership style into 4 behavior styles, which is behavior S1 to S4. So next slide. So first, the selling or directing. Can you read? Yes, it's not that.
Selling or directing. Individuals lack the specific skills required for the job in hand, and they are willing to work at that task. They are novice but enthusiastic.
So for example, dito sa selling or directing is kapag in-train mo yung new staff sa restaurant staff or using a complex skill or payroll system. Or for example na lang kapag dyan sa McDo, diba kapag bago ka pa lang, is nagkakaroon ng orientation. Parang tinuturuan ka ba kung paano yung gagawin, kung paano yung mga techniques, kung paano gamitin yun, kung may mga order na. So, next is telling or coaching. This is Spinoza,
Telling or coaching. Individuals are more able to do the task, however, they are demotivated for this job or task, unwilling to do the task.
So, dito sa telling or coaching is, kapag yung team members mo is feel demotivated sila, like may abilities naman sila or kakayahan. Pero hindi parang wala silang gana sa ginagawa nila. So, you as a leader, ano dapat mong gawin? Kailangan you as a leader, mag-provide ka ng positive feedback sa mga team members mo para ganahan sila sa kanilang ginagawa. Like, dapat magtiwala ka sa kanila, maniwala ka. And next is S3. Like, can you read
S3. Participating support teams. Individuals are experienced and able to do tasks but lack of confidence or the willingness to take on responsibility.
So, ayun, dito naman sa mga team members mo is, kailangan nila ng support to boost their confidence. So, you as a leader, ano ba yung napamukawin? So, kailangan nga is, bigyan ko sila ng positive feedback. Like, kaya mo yan, ganyan, then, magtiwala ko sa iyo. Next is delegating.
As for delegating, individuals are experienced, advanced, and comfortable with their own ability to do it well. They are able and willing to not only do the task, but to take responsibility to the task.
So, dito naman sa delegating is, ginagamit yan para sa mga team members na expert na sila sa mga ginagawa nila. Like, yung leaders is, iwala na siya sa mga team members niya. Like, sige, ikaw na bahala dyan, ganyan, kasi may alam na sila sa mga ginagawa nila. Hindi na nila kailangan bigyan ng clear instructions, kasi alam na nila yung mga ginagawa nila. So, next timer natin.
The group member is able to maintain a confident high readiness. The leader uses dedicated leadership style. Leader turns over the responsibility for decision and implementation to the members. On the other hand, if the group member has low readiness, unable to unwilling, the leader resorts to telling the group members what to do.
So, yun nga, na-discuss natin kanina yung delegating and telling. So, ginagamit yung delegating kapag the group member is willing and confident sila sa mga ginagawa nila. Pero pag the group members have low readiness and hindi pa sila masyadong confident, ginagamitan sila ng theory. Nagpo-provide pa sila ng mga clear instructions sa mga kanilang mga members. Next slide.
Just, I think.
Selma.
In short, competent members of the organization require less specific direction than less competent members. Less competent people need more specific direction than more competent people. For a graphic presentation of the situational leadership model, visit among these leadership styles. No one style is considered best for all leaders to use all the time. Effective leaders need to be flexible and must adapt themselves according to the situation, the readiness and willingness of the members of the organization.
So, ayun siya, kapag yung members mo is, may, alam na nila lahat.
Sabi niya, nakilistahin mo na dito sa classroom na. At sanan mo sila.
So, ayun nga, kapag yung team members mo is may mga suklasan, galing pa sila about their work, hindi na nila kailangan bigyan ng detailed instructions. Pero kapag yung team members mo naman is lack of experience and hindi pa sila confident sa mga ginagawa nila, is kailangan pa nilang i-guide, di ba? I-guide pa sila ng maayos. And sabi nga dyan, effective leaders need to be flexible. Yes, hindi ka lang dapat naka-stock sa isang style. Kailangan mag-adjust ka rin to understand the needs of your team members. Next is servant leadership. Can you read? Yes, Ms. Kara.
Servant leadership. Robert K. Greenfield, 1977, coined the paradoxical term servant leadership. How can one be a leader when he or she is servant? That's the common thinking. But the paradox is a creative, deliberate, and meaningful way of emphasizing the qualities of a servant leader. He describes the servant first. It begins with the natural feeling that one wants to see it. The conscious choice brings one to aspire to them.
So the servant leadership, the goal of the leader is to serve. It's about prioritizing the needs of others. But according to Robert K. Greenfield, sabi na dyan, how can one be a leader when he or she is servant? That's the common thinking. So, sabi ni Robert dyan, paano nga ba magiging leader ang isang taong naglilingkod? So, in short, it's about leading by serving others and the people that are being led and just as important. So, servant leadership is about being a leader by serving others. So, before we end this topic, I have a question. What are the S1 to S4? Give one. Yes, Miss Jessa Ramirez. Can you give one S1 to S4? Ano daw yung S1 to S4? Long. Ano yung pinaka-una? So, everybody leadership daw. Bro, you're not listening to kami ulit. Sorry, ma'am. Next. Is Danny Masoriano.
Wala siya.
Wala. Si Mr. Fernando.
Sir Fernando.
Give one sa ano, you discuss S1 to S4. Ang Q niya is S, tsaka di ba may slash T, S at T. Ano yun? Yes. Sige yun. Settings. Yes, Miss Fernandez. Yes, very good. So pa, S2. Yes, Miss Albert. Spelling coach. Yes, very good. Spelling coach. S3.
Yung price ng sandwiches.
S3. Sino ang bibigay?